Hey, Coach Greg here at Sculpt Training. We are on day 5 of our 10-day Sculpt and Sweat Workout Challenge. We are doing an upper body workout with some weights. They're optional, but I encourage you to push yourself on this one. Here we go. We start right now. Alrighty, starting off, we have a dumbbell push press, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. Knees are slightly bent. We are pushing overhead, focusing on our shoulders. My core is tight, strong, stable base. Again, use weights. If you'd like, you can put them down. You can just use your arms. Focus more on isometric squeeze then. But if you don't have dumbbells, use your water bottle, use a pillow, just use something. We want to increase the resistance. We'll make you sweat and sculpt your body way more. 3, 2, 1 more, and done. Great job. Next, we're gonna add some bicep curls. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Arms out in front, we are squeezing. Trying to hinge just from our elbow. You can do one at a time. You can do together, whatever you want. But like I said, you don't need weights. You can just focus on that squeeze. But you can do the same thing with the water bottle. Here we go. I'm squeezing. You're still contracting your muscles, and it's just as effective. Here we go. Just focus on right here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We have some hammer grip chest press here. Put your weights together here in your chest. We're squeezing, and all we're doing is pressing out. We're gonna feel it. Boom. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Some together. Pressing out. You're gonna feel it on your triceps. Feel it in your pecs. Really open up your chest here. Bring it together. Focus on the squeeze. Without weights, same thing, just press your palms together and push out. It starts from the ground up, even though we're working our upper body. Have a strong, stable base, which allows your muscles to really grow. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it off. Last but not least, we are working out our triceps. We have tricep kickbacks. Hinge from your hips. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So similar to the bicep where we're here, now we just want to work on this side. Elongate, you should feel your triceps activate. This bent over position just helps you focus and be intentional about that tricep. And then without weights, you can do the same thing. Boom. Now if you're not using weights, just focus really on the squeeze. This becomes more of an isometric workout. It's gonna be effective too. 3, 2, 1, and done. Shake out your arms. We have another set coming at you. Grab some on if you need to, but I'm gonna stop talking. Music's going up and we're gonna have some fun. Dumbbell push press, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. Hammer grip chest press, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep kickbacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Come on, we are at the halfway mark for this series, so let's finish strong with this last set. You got this, let's get it. Dumbbell push press, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. Hammer grip chest press, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep kickbacks, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it, that is day 5 done. As always, give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining us. Tune in tomorrow. Coach Gabby has a great workout for you. You are gonna sculpt, you are gonna sweat, and you're gonna have some fun. So tune in tomorrow for that, and also click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts coming from this series, but also the many other exercises we have coming your way. I'm Coach Greg. I'll see you later. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.